Greetings. Today I want to encourage you to stop wasting time and find your ideal frequency. What do I mean by that? You see, the secret of the universe is based on energy, vibration, and frequency. And all of your thoughts, they are vibrational frequency. Also, your brain is what transmits those frequencies. So your brain is a receiver and a transmitter of frequency. So it's like a signal station. So whatever signal you send out, that is what will come back to you. That is written in the book of mind science, that is called the Bible, when it says that my word will not return unto me void, but it must accomplish that which I send it to and prosper anything whereto I send it. Most people believe it's a man in the sky is speaking, but it is your awareness, your consciousness, okay, that is showing you that whatsoever you sow, so shall you reap, because your mind is a garden. Okay, so my encouragement to you is to stop wasting time with things that are not benefiting you. Stop wasting time with things that is not bringing you to experience the best version of yourself. And find the ideal frequency. One that will bring you into realizing that your real identity is your divinity. One that will bring you into the realization that thoughts become things. One that will bring you into the realization of the power of your mind and how to use your mind to live the ideal life. Moreover, find a frequency that would bring you into your purpose. A frequency that would help you to utilize the innovative and creative power that is within you. You see, every one of us born in this world with a certain fingerprint, and that fingerprint carries the blueprint of the things that you must do in this world to live your life in alignment with the rest of nature. For example, when you look at nature, nature always brings forth bountifully. And nature is always in an attitude of gratitude. Nature always giving thanks to the sun for its energy that helps it to have its vitality. And so too, all of humanity depends on the sun's energy to give us our vitality. Okay? So when you understand that there's an inner sun and there's an inner sun science that you must use to create your reality consciously, then you will understand that when there is lack and scarcity in your environment, it is a reflection of what is taking place inwardly. And so you're wasting your time here when you expect change while doing the same thing over and over again. So I'm saying to you, my brother and my sisters, be willing to accept change so that you will not waste time. Okay? Every day would be a productive day for you. You would not be willing to just sit back and relax and, be failing in life. You will feel the need to expand. You will feel the need to grow because you're willing to be to live a purposeful life. Okay, that's what I should say. Okay, so my brother, my sisters, the main encouragement I'm sending out to you today is to start to write down your goals and your dreams in life and take the first step of doing something based on inspired action. Take action. You're born with a gift in this world. You're born with a talent. Use it. Remember, everything is an investment. So, use your time, your energy, everything as an investment to be the best version of yourself. That is my encouragement to you. Okay, so in 2025, do not waste time any longer. If you have something to do, do it. Stop all form of procrastination. Stop doubting yourself and learn to believe more in yourself. Love yourself more. Embrace yourself more. And always be grateful in spite of what you are facing in life. Always be grateful. Okay? So my brother, my sisters, I can go on and on and on, but I just want to take this few moments to really encourage you to do better in your life once you feel that you need to do better. Okay, you see, many times we get ideas and we procrastinate on those ideas. But my encouragement to you is to always have pen and paper to write down your inspiration. Within 5 seconds of you receiving a download, write it down so you would remember it. And then start working on it. Do not wait until things are, say, perfect. When you feel good about something to work on it. Work on it as long as you've been inspired to do it. Sometimes it might not make sense to you at the moment, but because you start to act, okay, it will later make sense. For example, right now in this world, everyone is grateful for electricity. Everyone is grateful for the automobile, the airplane. But these men, before they could have bring these things into their reality, they had to believe by themselves alone that this thing could be true. And so they had to vibrate on a certain frequency, and they had to take a lonely road by themselves alone to believe, so that they will bring value to the rest of humanity. Okay, and if they could do it, you can do it too, because we all been given the same power. We all been given a mind, but it's just different arrangement of that same mind. So you can rearrange your mind to whichever way you want it to be. You can change your situation if you learn to just change your thinking, because all is mind. So my brother, my sisters, this is not time for you to just sit back and relax and blame, let's say, blame politicians or government for your life, blame the clergy, blame, even your school teachers. I'm saying all of that because these systems, been set up to keep you a certain way, okay? But now you have the knowledge, and now you know it is time for you to actually work on yourself, okay? Find the ideal frequency and vibrate on that ideal frequency to live a more successful and a more accomplished life. In short, I'm saying to you, take inspired action and do something with your life. Stop wasting time. So with that being said, my brother, my sisters, I'm so glad to be bringing this message of encouragement to you. It's more of a reminder, okay, because sometimes we know these things, but we do not really become as active as we should, because self-discipline, and self-mastery, it doesn't happen overnight, okay? You have to be consistent. So I'm here to remind you of that, okay? So let me say, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me and what I'm saying, if it really makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you, and you haven't subscribed already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. If you like to get my books, the links are all down below. They are all available on Amazon. Also, if you like to do a one-on-one with me, you can reach out to me, okay, directly, and we can set up a one-on-one, or you can reach out to me on an app called Faithia, and we can do a one-on-one there. But the choice is yours. Also, if you like to become a part of my Patreon community, you're most welcome. However, I have a course there for people who are donating $20 or more, and it's called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciousness. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. So my last encouragement to you is to make sure you check out all of the links that are down below, and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all, out.